Hey folks, I'm Felix from Hicks Nurseries. Well, the summer is here and we need to drink more water. And just like us, we need to pay close attention to our plants in our landscape, our annual beds, and so on to make sure they get enough water. So the first thing we want to do is look for the right tool. And here at Hicks, we have the right tool. We want to water in the morning so that way the plant has plenty of water before the hot sun of the day rises. We got to use sprinklers in the right application. Sprinklers are great for lawns because the water evaporates relatively quickly, but it's not so good for our annuals and for our vegetables certainly. There, I would like to recommend a water wand. A water wand gently puts down a lot of water quickly, efficiently, and in the plant where you need it. Secondly is in our landscape, best thing is a soaker hose. A soaker hose puts the water right at the root zone. So it's a great, efficient use of water. We're not wasting water in the air. The next thing I want to tell you is people ask me all the time, how much water do I put down? Well, the same plant in different locations will need different waterings. So I suggest digging a hole in the ground next to the plant and seeing how long it takes the water to get down to the root zone. Get out there and keep those plants watered.